Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos. Today I'm going to introduce the newest products on my right hands. This is a fructose dispenser, and let me give you the overall dimensions first. The unit's entire length is about like 10 inches, and the depths they are almost about like 14 and 1 4 inches, and the overall height they are almost like 16.5 inches tall. So as we can see, the unit has front manual operating board, and the manufacturer offering the manual books. They give you the details for each of the level means, and also they do having the number display size up. You can quick save on the buttons, and also have the power informations and indicator light to showing you the informations too. And from the manufacturer, we give you a measurement cup, and you can see the different levels measures on it. And entire unit using the 110 powers, so standard US power will be working prepared for it. So we can take a look closer to see this pole dimensions. The units was made by all stainless steels, so they come in with a cap off from the manufacturers. This one made by stainless steels too. And the measurements of it, the diameters, they are about like 8.5 inches for the inner side, and the tall they are about like 8.5 inches too. This will be the all demonstration information about the products, and if you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.